For decades, Intel defined modern computing. From desktops to laptops, from offices to data centers, Intel Silicon quietly powered the digital world. But over the last several years, something changed. Competitors surged ahead. Apple rewrote the rules with custom silicon. AMD closed performance gaps. Qualcomm pushed ARM into the PC conversation. And Intel? Intel was forced into a rare position, playing defense. Until now. Because today, Intel launches Core Ultra Series 3, a processor family that represents more than a performance update. It represents a strategic reset, technologically, architecturally, and culturally. This is not just a chip launch. This is Intel drawing a line in the sand. To understand why Core Ultra Series 3 matters, you need context. Modern CPUs are no longer just about raw speed. They're about efficiency, AI acceleration, graphics capability, and manufacturing leadership. For years, Intel struggled to deliver all of that at once. So Intel went back to the fundamentals. New process technology, new CPU architecture, new GPU strategy, and native AI acceleration baked directly into the Silicon Core Ultra Series 3 is the result of that rebuild. It is Intel's first mainstream platform designed from the ground up for the AI PC era. At the heart of this launch is something most consumers never see: manufacturing technology. Core Ultra Series 3 is built on Intel's 18A process, one of the most advanced semiconductor nodes Intel has ever produced. Why does this matter? Because process technology determines performance per watt, thermal efficiency, battery life, and long-term scalability. 18A introduces next-generation transistor designs and power delivery methods that allow Intel to push higher performance without the runaway heat and power consumption of past generations. For beginners, think of this as more work done with less energy. For professionals, it's a signal that Intel is reclaiming control over its own fabrication roadmap. This chip isn't just faster, it's smarter about how power is used. Core Ultra Series 3 uses a heterogeneous architecture, meaning different types of cores handle different tasks. You get performance cores for heavy workloads, efficiency cores for background and low-power tasks, and now, a dedicated AI engine, known as the NPU. This is critical. Traditional CPUs handle AI tasks inefficiently. GPUs help, but they consume significant power. The NPU changes that. It allows AI workloads, voice recognition, image processing, local generative tasks to run continuously and efficiently without draining battery life. For everyday users, this means smarter assistants, real-time transcription, enhanced photo and video tools. For professionals, it enables local AI inference, AI-assisted development edge computing workloads, all without sending data to the cloud. Graphics is another major leap. Intel's integrated GPUs in Core Ultra Series 3 are no longer an afterthought. They are designed to handle casual gaming, creative workloads, AI-accelerated graphics tasks. This matters for thin and light laptops where discrete GPUs aren't practical. Intel claims significant gains in graphics throughput, media encoding, and real-time rendering. For creators, this means faster exports and smoother timelines. For gamers, playable experiences without dedicated graphics. For enterprises, better visualization and compute density. Performance is no longer siloed. CPU, GPU, and AI now operate as a unified system. Make no mistake, this launch is also about competition. Intel is not operating in a vacuum. This chip is designed to compete directly with Apple Silicon's efficiency, AMD's multi-core performance, Qualcomm's ARM-based push into Windows PCs. Core Ultra Series 3 doesn't just answer those challenges, it reframes the conversation around balance. Performance, efficiency, AI, and compatibility, all in one platform. No emulation, no translation layers, no compromises. Core Ultra Series 3 is not about chasing headlines. It's about rebuilding trust, with developers, with enterprises, and with everyday users. This is Intel saying, we are back in control of our technology. We are ready for the AI-first future, and we are ready to compete. The next era of computing will not be defined by a single benchmark. It will be defined by how seamlessly intelligence integrates into everything we do. And with Core Ultra Series 3, Intel is once again part of that defining moment.